Previously, we added grenades and we added impulses. And we have this preview thing. We can throw them. Boom! We have a little knockback action. Now, there's one final thing we gotta do before we move on to the bigger and better things. Items are cooked. Basically, you can't have duplicate items. I can't have impulse grenades and grenades at the same time in my inventory. I can't give myself bandages at the same time. So what we're gonna do is completely eradicate the use of these two classes and then create a fresh new item system. We set the new items quantity to the surplus amount and then give that item again. So then it would stack on another item if there's another item, or it would just fill the empty slot. This makes sense so far. If the slot is negative 999, then it's outside of the inventory, and if it's a valid slot, then that's where we can get the item from. Okay, let me refactor this because this is also very messy right now. Dude, this refactor is so massive. Oh my god, look at all these files. This is not a good idea. Now we compile and we shoot ourselves for a shitload of bugs, most likely. Oh my god! Wait, it compiled first try. I can't click items. Will the add to slot work? 15 is the max? It worked. Can't drop though, so let's fix that. It worked. It dropped it. And it's working. The reduce is working. I don't know what I did. As soon as I drop once, all the item stacks go away. So that's a duplicate bug. Dropping guns works just fine. Okay, so now if I click outside, the item is gone. If I close the inventory, item is back. Oh my god, wait, I can also move? I'm scared. Why is it working so good? I swear there's gonna be a duping bug somewhere. Oh, why is this happening? What the hell am I? Holy duping glitch of doom. Oh, could it be because you're clicking an item that has a quantity 1 and I don't have an edge case for that? We're not covering all the edge cases because there's logic for when you swap. There's logic for when there's an empty slot and when there's not an empty slot, etc. We gotta fix that. So I can swap with these two. That seems to be working fine. But I can also swap with these. Why is that? It's not being handled by my custom click event, but these are. And also when I have 15, this should become 15 and this should become 3. So it's not swapping correctly. Oh no, it is swapping. It just isn't sending the slot item refresh. There's just something that I'm not sending properly. Boom, but false. Call me crazy, but maybe this is the way. Bandages. It's increasing. Does it decrease? Oh, fuck. It's just fried. There's somewhere in this code where setting the item stack sends the packet still. And as long as that's there, we won't be able to override it correctly. And we'll have to stick with the waiting a tick later for now. Besides that, double refactor, bro.